Hi, my name is Kate Muller, and I'm an engineer with Agilent Technologies supporting the 89600 VSA software. This video will introduce you to the revolutionary multi-measurement capability available in version 15 of this industry-leading vector signal analysis software. Today, with the demand for compact mobile devices like smartphones and tablets, engineers are faced with the challenge of fitting an increasing number of radios in a shrinking space. Designing and validating these devices and their components is becoming increasingly complex, and the sheer number of tests required to ensure robustness is leading to unreasonably long test times. Agilent's 89600 VSA software, the premier tool for vector signal analysis for wireless R&D, now leads the way to solving these new test challenges. The innovative multi-measurement capability overcomes limitations of traditional one-at-a-time measurements, enabling engineers to gain new insight into interactions between closely packed devices, increase test coverage with existing test hardware, improve efficiency, and decrease test time. Let's go through each of these reasons to upgrade to version 15 of the 89600 VSA software. Up until now, engineers have been limited to making measurements sequentially. Multi-measurements provides new insight by enabling you to make measurements on multiple signals at one time. Now, the 89600 VSA software can define and execute many measurements simultaneously. This allows you to analyze signals at once and check for interactions. For example, here we have the output from a multi-format power amplifier transmitting both a wireless LAN signal and an LTE signal. Using multi-measurements to analyze both signals at the same time, we can clearly see that when the wireless LAN signal is transmitting, it causes a large increase in error in the LTE signal. Executing both measurements and displaying the results side by side allows us to detect and troubleshoot this signal interaction. Next, let's see how upgrading from your current solution to multi-measurements enables you to perform more tests without additional test equipment or time. The flexibility of the 89600 VSA software now allows you to perform tests which were previously difficult or impossible to do. The ability to independently set parameters like center frequency, span, and resolution bandwidth lets you demodulate a wideband signal while using a narrow resolution bandwidth to monitor a spur which would otherwise be hidden in the noise floor. You can also look at different physical test points within your device, such as baseband, IF, and RF, and even use math functions across measurements to extract the baseband to RF transfer function, for example. This new measurement functionality is available without additional equipment, thanks to the flexible hardware configuration supported. Finally, upgrading to multi-measurements gives you more effective methods for performing a large number of tests. Unlike slow mode switching associated with traditional signal analysis, multi-measurements allows you to define an entire collection of measurements, which are saved in RAM ready for immediate execution. These can either be performed in parallel or quickly sequenced for more efficient test of a single device or for running the same test on many devices. The ability to coordinate multiple hardware front ends means multiple prototypes can be validated in parallel. Multi-carrier devices, which must be tested at many different frequencies, are just one example where multi-measurements can improve test efficiency and decrease test time. Now you've seen how the 89600 VSA software multi-measurement capability can help you gain new insight into signal interactions, increase your test coverage, and improve efficiency. You can try it out today by visiting our website and downloading the software for free. Access the full functionality with a 14-day trial license and explore how you can gain more insight and decrease test time in designing and verifying your devices.